In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify announcement bar. The announcement bar is that slim banner at the top of your storefront that's perfect for quick updates, promo codes, shipping notices, or holiday hours. A clear, concise message here can drive clicks and set expectations the moment visitors land on your site. Let's walk through the simplest way to update it and make it work for your business. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading to your store's admin. From the sidebar, look for Online Store. This is where you manage the look and feel of your storefront. Go ahead and click it, and then choose Edit Theme. Depending on your theme or Shopify's wording, this may appear as Customize. The goal is to open the theme editor, which shows a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of sections and settings on the left. In the left panel, find the header area. Under that, you should see an option labeled Announcement Bar. Click it to open the settings dedicated to the banner at the top of your site. If your theme uses a slightly different name, don't worry. Many themes group this under header or top bar, but the function is the same. Now click into the text field and type the message you want customers to see. Keep it short and scannable. Something like free shipping on orders over $50 or new collection just dropped. If you include a promo code, make sure it's easy to read and copy. You can preview how it looks right away in the live preview on the right, so you can fine-tune for clarity and tone. Feel free to customize the style options you see in this panel. Many themes let you adjust the background and text colors, choose whether the bar is dismissible, or modify alignment and typography. Aim for strong contrast so your message is legible across devices, and keep the design consistent with your brand. If your theme offers a rotation or multiple messages, focus on one or two key lines so the bar doesn't feel cluttered. When you're happy with the wording and appearance, click Save. Give the preview a moment to update, then check a few pages and device sizes if possible. If the text looks cramped on mobile, try shortening the message or removing extra punctuation. And remember, you can return here anytime to update seasonal promotions or urgent notices. That's all it takes to edit your Shopify announcement bar. Open the Shopify website, go to Online Store, edit the theme, select Announcement Bar under Header, enter your message, customize as needed, and save your changes.